Today, I would like to share my experience of traveling to Rishikesh from Delhi by road. The benefits of traveling via your own car. One of the advantages of embarking on a road trip to Rishikesh via your own car is the freedom and flexibility it offers. You have the liberty to set your own pace, explore offbeat locations, and make impromptu stops along the way. This level of independence allows you to create a personalized itinerary, ensuring that you can fully immerse yourself in the journey. Another benefit is the convenience of having your own vehicle. You can pack your belongings without worrying about luggage restrictions and have easy access to your essentials throughout the trip. Additionally, traveling in your own car provides a familiar and comfortable environment, allowing you to enjoy the road trip with your loved ones. The challenges faced on the road. While traveling via your own car to Rishikesh comes with its advantages, it is important to be aware of the challenges that may arise during the journey. One of the challenges is the search for petrol pumps, especially in remote areas. It is crucial to plan your fuel stops in advance, ensuring that you have enough gas to reach the next available station. This preparation will help you avoid unnecessary stress and delays. Parking can also be a challenge, especially in popular tourist destinations like Rishikesh. The availability of parking spaces may be limited, requiring patience and perseverance to find suitable spots. It is advisable to research parking options near your accommodation or attractions beforehand to streamline this process. Additionally, driving on hilly and narrow roads poses its own set of challenges. The winding roads and steep gradients demand extra caution and concentration while navigating through the terrain. It is important to be mindful of other vehicles, follow traffic rules, and drive at a controlled speed to ensure safety. The wear and tear of your car, including the possibility of scratches, is another consideration when maneuvering through tiny roads. Careful driving and regular maintenance can help minimize these risks. For more interesting narratives, please visit questcorner.com and join our website for latest updates.